Hello, good morning everyone. Hope you all are good. This is Nilanjana Bera, your art teacher, and today we will be working on a Diwali wall hanging. Material required for the craft are in the first step I have taken a cardboard of size 12 inch by 12 inch and an handmade sheet which is 1 inch extra from each side so that it can paste it from the behind the cardboard. And I have just applied Fevicol and just folding the corners so that it sticks well. In the second step I have just taken an thermocol sheet of 9 inch by 9 inch. This is also in square, and over that I have just pasted an handmade sheet of olive green, and just above that a circle which is a 7-inch diameter. Just above the circle I have taken two cream color Lakshmi Ji's Charan, which I'm going to paste it. This is a main design of that wall hanging, or you can just make it a rangoli base also, and just around that you can paste it. In the second step I have just taken some petal shape which gives me a little lotus effect, and I have also cut them in a cream color because I want to maintain this authentic look. So I have just stick to a few colors only, the three base colors, and when I'm going to make it, it will look a little more festive. Pasting the top, I have just taken one white lace which I'm just putting on the side. It won't be visible from the top, but from the edges it is. Now the same I'm doing it with the edges of that base cardboard. I have taken 4 equal white lace and pasted them in the corners, which is crossing the previous one. Now I'm done with the pasting and taken white color just to create a little more emboss and highlighted effect. I'm gonna cover the corners a little thicker, and which will give it this 3D effect. I'm just trying to do it little properly because I have already pasted those petals, so I have to do it little carefully also, just below those petals, and just given an half-inch thickness of white color. Now whatever detailing is that I want to give it, I will be using only white color for it. So the toes I am gonna make it with the white and just outlining them so that they will be little more proportionate or equal. I'm sticking with few colors only so that it gives you a look of very balanced work, and gonna just paste some mirrors on the corners of the green sheet and just outlining them with a white tone. I'm not doing much design work on this because already I have done the little variation in the colors, so I'm going very simple shapes and lines with the brush. But the one thing that you have to maintain, that the consistency of the color, it should not be too much diluted because we are using a white poster color, so it need to be a little more thicker in consistency. And as we are using on handmade sheet, so it will be little difficult, but not impossible. You can do it, but you need to do it a little thicker consistency. See, this is the easiest way to create a zigzag line once you have done it on the right side and then coming from the left to the right again. Now I'm adding this mirror on the top layer and just at the center of each petal, trying to do it, and I have used a rhombus shape for the same. I'm gonna repeat the entire thing. So here I have just added a little white tone on the top layer, just around the mirrors to highlight them. And that alta I'm just putting on the Lakshmi Ji's charan, just around the shape, or you can already do it and then paste it, whichever way you are comfortable. If you don't have thermocol, you can make it flat also, or you can take some pieces of cardboards and then paste them. And this is an old cardboard, I have used it from a box. I have just cut out the same. So you can take different ratios of each shape and then calculate and create it. Hope you have understood and will definitely try. Even you can use it as a rangoli centerpiece, and just around it you can create rangoli. Thank you for watching this.